Steve Young here with RidePower. Today we're going to talk about the RidePower Portable Power Bank with wireless charging. 10,000 milliamp hours. You can charge your phone up to 3 times on a full charge of this battery pack. It's water resistant, shock proof. You have a USBC which produces 5 watts or 3 amps worth of power, and you can charge using the USBAs at 5 watts or 3 amps, and you can charge 2 devices at the same time. You can actually charge 3 devices at the same time using the charging cables. Also, we push the button here on the side, we turn it over, we place our phone on it, you can charge your phone. So now we need to charge phones. Plug in. This is USB-A to USB-C. We're charging the phone. USB-C to USB-C. We're charging 2 devices now at the same time. Now, also the unique thing about the USB-C to USB-C cord, if we want to plug it into a power block to plug into the wall, we can plug the solar power bank into the wall and charge it that way also. Or you can use a USB-C. RidePower Portable Power Bank with wireless charging.